Good morning. Today is Wednesday, May 27th. It's 9:10 a.m. Let's get started. So going to the 27th. I'm starting on the daily time frame. Again, I'm on the MNG. I'm going to be doing 8 contracts today. So it looks like we're in a bullish trend. Oh wait, forex factory. Okay, today is Wednesday. Absolutely no news at all today. So we're definitely good to trade. Okay. So going back to the daily time frame. Yesterday's high was already taken out today, and yesterday's low we can work out. So previous day low right here. Okay. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, looking if we see any internal key levels. One is right here, but it was already taken out by this candle. One was right here, but it was already taken out by this candle wick. And same here. Here's one, but it was taken out by this wick. So no key levels on the 4-hour time frame, dropping down to the 1 hour. First, let me delete some of these old entries. I think these must have been from yesterday that I had marked out. Okay. So I'm going to remove some of these old. So this Asia high was already taken out by these candles. This London high was taken out by this candle. This Asia low is still valid, as well as the rest of these levels. They're all still valid. I don't know what this one is. I'm gonna delete that because it's a fair value. No, it's not fair value. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna delete that. Same here. I don't know what those are. Orange? I usually don't go mark orange. I don't know where those came from. Okay, this fair value gap was, oh no. Okay, that's still a valid one. These are the ones I manually drew out, so those are definitely still valid. So I'm gonna extend those. I don't think market will get down to them to that level today, but I'm still gonna just extend it. Okay. So these were yesterday. So yesterday Asia's high was taken out. London low, same as Asia low, so that can remain. London high was taken out by Asia this morning. Same for New York high, but New York low is still valid, so I can mark that out. Right here. Here is today's Asia high. Asia low. We can mark out. The purple is Asia. Yellow is London. No, purple is Asia, blue is London, and yellow is New York. So today's Asia high was already taken out, so I'm going to mark the London low since that hasn't been messed with yet. And then the London/New York high. Those were still in both of those sessions. Okay, dropping down now to the 30 minutes, see if you see any internal key levels there. Here's one that was taken out. This may be a key level right here. Because, no, actually it's not. That's the inverse fair value gap, so no. This may be a key level, but I don't need to mark it because it's already within this fair value gap. Alright, so I think there are none right now. Dropping straight down to the 5-minute time frame. Let's mark out our potential entries. So for these bearish fair value gaps, we're going to look to take longs. Looks like we can only put one long because the rest of these don't fit within the strategy. So let's look to see if any shorts Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh wow. Jeez. Oh, okay, here's one. I don't know if the market will get all the way down here, but if it does, we have that potential short. Let's see if there's any more. Nope. All the way down here will be the next one. I don't think the market will get, I mean, you never know. So right now we have 2 potential shorts and 1 potential long. And, you know, as the market goes, if any new fair value gaps are formed, then we can mark potential entries off of those. So yesterday I won really nice. So my balance is at $52,186. Again, I'm targeting $52,500 to pass my evaluation stage and get funded with a prop firm. So hopefully today is a great day so that I can finally pass it, because I've been in it for like 2 months now, which is ridiculous. That's like the longest I've ever heard. But it is what it is. Everybody has their own journey, and apparently this is mine. So that's that. Okay, it's 9:17. I'll get back on when a candle gets close to one of our potential entries. Okay, so a new fair value gap had formed. So I entered where, oh damn, I stopped out. Okay, so I lost that trade. So basically a new bullish fair value gap had formed, so I entered for a long to take that, but obviously it didn't work out. So how much did I just lose? I lost $235, so it brought my account balance down to $51,951. Okay, so let's see if we can get another trade for today and make up for that one. Okay, so you see, I wanted to get in, but it didn't go where I wanted. I needed it to get up here before I can enter, and it's not going up there, so I'm not entering. Oh, well, no, it's not. If it does go up there, I'll enter, but if it doesn't, I'm not. So we'll just wait and see what happens. Okay, so this candle obviously isn't going up to my entry. So I didn't get into that trade, although had I, definitely would have done well with that. But as you see, a new bearish fair value gap formed, meaning that you would be able to take a long off of that. So let me mark that out. Okay, and I was very close to, let me go back actually, undo. Okay, so you see, that's where I wanted to initially enter, but I said I would enter as low as this just because it was near this fair value gap. However, I just needed my price to get up here, and it got super close. Like, look, it got right there, but I needed it to get right here or above, and it didn't. So I didn't enter, and I'm okay because I'm following my strategy, and that's not part of the strategy. So again, I'm going to delete this, and then mark out this potential long off of this new bearish fair value gap. Sorry for the horns outside. So I have that, and then I still have this one. I was looking before to see when the last time price got that low, and it was actually yesterday. This is May 26th, so that was yesterday, and price was that low. So it is a possibility that it can come down here. So maybe we'll get, hopefully we'll get a winning trade today. So it's 10:31. So let's wait and see what ends up happening. Okay, I'm gonna try to enter and take this long off of this bearish fair value gap. This candle closes above it. I'm going to try to enter for a long. Okay, I entered into the trade, so let's see what ends up happening. Really? Okay, so 2 losses in the day. That sucks. Yeah. So not passing my funded account today. So I'm down to 51,727. So that leaves me with $800 now to make before I hit funded. Before it was only like $350. Now I need to make $800. Okay, but I did follow the strategy, just didn't work out today. So hopefully tomorrow.